In Gaza's hospitals, every second counts. Every drop of blood is the difference between life and death. And yet for so many Palestinians, that lifeline is slipping away. Medical teams work tirelessly, but they are running out of the most basic resources needed to save lives. And as Israel's airstrikes continue, the number of wounded keeps climbing. Every day, doctors are forced to watch patients die, not just from the severity of the wounds, but from the sheer lack of essential medical supplies, including blood.
We used to provide blood bank services for 300,000 Palestinians, but that number has now doubled while our capacity has drastically declined. At the start of the war, we collected 1,500 blood units per month, but now we barely manage 350. In the beginning of the war, we relied on blood shipments from the West Bank to help cover chronic shortages, but with the crossing closed, nothing is getting through.
With no way to resupply hospitals because of Israel's blockade, medical organizations warn that Gaza's health system is in free fall.
Health partners report that essential medical supplies for managing mass casualty incidents need to be restocked due to a sharp increase in trauma cases and the severity of injuries. WHO says there are fewer than 500 units of blood available when 8,000 are needed every month.
Even those who want to help face their own struggle. Severe food and water shortages have left Gaza's population weak, dehydrated and malnourished. Blood donors are disappearing not because they do not care, but because they simply do not have the strength.
I know blood supplies are critically low in Gaza's hospitals, but I hesitated to donate today due to the severe shortage of food. But knowing that so many people desperately need blood, I realized I couldn't stand by. I had to help.
With no access to new medical supplies and no ceasefire in sight, doctors fear the worst is yet to come. In this war, it's not just bombs and bullets that they are killing people. It's the slow suffocation of a healthcare system denied the resources to function. And with every passing day without access to life-saving supplies, more lives are slipping away. Tareq Azzoum, Al Jazeera, Deir Al Balah, Palestine.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.